Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog has got two vlogs in one. We basically spent the last 2 days just trying to switch the rooms and our house looks like a hurricane. I made some FRIKKEDELLE, which the recipe I will leave for you guys in the description bar down below. So enjoy my little decluttering. Like these past 2 days, as I said, most of it's just kind of packing stuff out. I decluttered some brushes, some perfumes, all of those things. I might actually sell some second-hand stuff in, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But today I have to sort out a lot of stuff, so more videos are coming with decluttering. But before we get into that, I just want to give this sweetie a shout out. Thank you so much for leaving a comment on my video, and make sure you leave one down below to get featured in the next one. So without further ado, let's do this. So obviously I have no idea where to start. It's obviously a bit messy now because I filmed the past few days, but I mean, this is not what it usually looks like. It was way neater, but just accumulating more stuff ends up being too much of a clutter. So I do want to sort out some stuff. I'll put some in a giveaway box that I'm gonna run a giveaway with currently on my YouTube channel. You can check my Instagram for more details on that. There's a giveaway handle on my profile if you want to enter for that, and then some other stuff. So I don't think I'm going to start with all of this, but I thought let me do my makeup brushes and perfumes, because my perfumes are a bit dusty. My little containers over here is really dusty, so I'll clean them out, reorganize them, clean every single perfume, and then maybe put them in the living room, so that's out of the way, and then we can move on.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. Got a lot of. At the crack of dawn, in the dark of night, what I got to do? Got to do. I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Squall. Turn the party wet, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game.
to see?
Open your eyes and see what you want to see.
So we're gonna bring in the carpet and then just set up everything. I have dark curtains because the room has to be dark, as my lighting is not light enough to cast out the lighting of the light that comes in.
This is how I earn my wages.